Using Duolingo to learn Gaelic.
Yoni, if you want to properly learn, you speak Gaelic, Hatornashad, it will actually teach you.
Gaelic content creators.
Now, Hatoran and Drast, it's never been a better time to make Gaelic content if meer on social te. Agus lorik me doen je in Tsjechense, dan je sjuurst, Ketak, John Gaelic kan je smijn je Ian Gaelic. Agus kunnen dat geen Sorje, agus Nieve, na OG's.
The Mod.
Oh, Sheikh. I think everyone should go to the mod at some point in their lives. I do think it should modernize a bit more, just a little bit.
Gaelic music.
Oh, there's a lot more diversity across genres nowadays. Indie rock, neo-trad, metalcore, but still there's loads that haven't been touched yet. Gian with the ganu, Gian with the ganionach.
Not being word perfect.
Jake, making mistakes is a good thing. It is how you learn. There's Shar Gaelic Briestje, the Gaelic Hiestje, maar gaan is
English subtitles on Gaelic content.
Oh, Sheikh. I do get the argument for leaving them off, but good person to I like having both. In Dras Reach, Kurimi, Gaelic Lashane.
Calmac ferries.
Oh, though it does depend on which one you get. Can you listen? There's something about being on the ferry, Gaharaj, Liverpool. Something about that. I love it, but understand that not everybody does.
Gaelic road signs.
Sheikh. The Gaelic at Fiaganach and an Alba at one stage, so I do get it, but my home in Caithness, for example, that is Norse country through and through.
In Chellen.
Shia. Am I going to get in trouble for that one? I love the concept. We need more stuff like it. I recommend everyone watch it. But Hamandochas can be an achre. Na shar na hiete.
Ruri Grey.
Gee.